should be working on to replace the motor in the ignition system. It's an old motor. It's got a spark magnet in here, cracked and fell apart. And that was the end of it, but I had a new one. There's a tag fire and everything. Unfortunately, but I think it's just